Neurotransmission by Kendra Bell. A neuron is a cell of the nervous system that is specialized for information processing and communication. There are 5 major parts of a neuron with 3 subparts. Dendrites receive information from other neurons and transmit electrical signals towards the cell body. The soma, or cell body, maintains the cell and keeps the neuron functioning efficiently. Axons carry signals from the cell body to the terminal buttons. The myelin sheath part of the axon insulates one nerve cell from another and prevents interference of one neuron to another. The axon terminal transmits signals to other neurons. Action potential is defined as a nerve impulse arising in an axon. There are 2 major ions involved, sodium cations and potassium cations. The resting membrane potential is defined as the measurement of the electrical charge across the neural membrane when the cell is not processing information. There are 6 steps to generating the action potential. First, a stimulus occurs and opens the sodium channels. This creates a rise in depolarization. The potassium channels open and release potassium cations. At the peak, sodium channels become inactive. Potassium channels close when dropping to hyperpolarization. Sodium channels then level out to resting potential. This diagram illustrates what we just stated, with each of the 6 steps being laid out. In order to bind to the receptor, we must arrive at the axon terminals. The calcium channels open and let in calcium cations. The overflow of calcium causes synaptic vessels to release the neurotransmitters at the terminal button. The neurotransmitter then binds to the receptor. Initiation is the crossing of membranes by ions, such as sodium to potassium. Termination is the depolarization of the membrane when ions level out. This image describes each step and how the neurotransmitter is bound to the receptor. And that is neurotransmission.